Hello all, in today's tutorial we are going to see how to create a GIF or a GIF using Canva, and all those tricks and tactics which I'm going to use is available in Canva for free. Hi, this is Follow Me and welcome to VAGPE Media. Let's head over to our home screen of Canva. Well, I'm on the home screen of Canva, which looks somewhat like this. In order to create a GIF or a GIF, you need to use a video template. Now from here, from the featured aspect ratios, if I go to video, I'll get different aspect ratios under video category. This is a landscape feature. This is 1920 into 1080. I am going to use a Facebook video style, which is 1080 into 1080. You can use any other aspect ratio as suits you. So I'm going to create two GIF or GIF. Do let me know in the comment which pronunciation you prefer. One is from a downloaded video and another is by using one of my own short videos and convert it into a GIF or a GIF. So first I'll have to come to upload section. From here I'm going to take this girl's picture, this video, okay, and I'm going to crop it a little bit and keep it like this, and then I'm going to go to element and take a grid. You may ask me why do I take a grid. The reason being a grid makes any video fit into any frame or any aspect ratio. So if I take this grid and if I simply drag the video out here, it will take it automatically in the grid, right? I don't really have to drag and pull and resize this video as per the aspect ratio of my template. You can alternatively just simply take this video, crop it a bit, as much cropping is required according to you. You can actually crop it and then you can simply drag it corner to corner in order to fit and make it fit for the aspect the template, and then simply double click and drag it down till where you want to show, right? This is also another alternative. So either you use grid, which makes your steps simpler and easier, and on a click you can basically get the desired result. Otherwise you can also go for this. For this time being, I'm just simply deleting this option. I'm going to work with this. Now I don't want a 7.8 seconds chip, so I'm going to take one part of it, which I'm going to choose. Yes, so this much. It is 2.6 seconds. You can even keep it a little more this side, and let's see how is it looking. My playhead is here at the beginning, right? So once I'm done, if I want to add one text out here, I can go to this text option and I can take a headline text and simply make it large and place it in the right place and just do the modification. And then I will go to these three tiny dots. I'll make it uppercase, and then I'll go to this effects option and I will make it a hollow text, and I will just reduce the offset a bit so that entire inner part is visible inside the hollow text format. And I can change the color from here. I'm going to pick some color from the color palette. I'm going to make it white in order to stand it out, and I'm going to change the font to a thicker font so that my white part comes out. And once again I'm going to go to effect and I'm just going to make the thickness a little more thicker, and this is what I exactly am looking for. So I'll just place it right here, and finally I will just watch how is my text looking like. Okay, so once it is done, then you're simply going to come here. If you want to give further animation, you can simply go to animate. You can give this text in different animation. Suppose I am giving a bounce animation. Okay, in bounce animation you can go for character wise, you can go for word wise. So I prefer character wise, but this is also a pro option, so I'm not going to use this. So I'm going to use something really simple, which is free. So this is absolutely free option, pan option. I'm going to use that, and I am going to go with it. And then once this effect is good enough, then you can simply come here in the share option, go to download option, just click this drop down and go for GIF or GIF, this last option, whatever is the right pronunciation for you, you can do that, and then simply download it. So it will be downloaded in a GIF or GIF format. So this is how you can basically create a GIF or a GIF using one uploaded video or any other video which is not your own video. Now let me show you. Once this is downloaded, it will be downloading in the download folder, right? So I will, meanwhile, while it is getting downloaded, let me take another slide like this and go to upload, and I'm going to simply drag one of my funny videos, this one. I'll simply crop it. So here I would stop and I will simply crop it. There can be two ways. Either you drag from the end with this arrow, both side arrow, or else you can simply keep your playhead in the right place where you want to stop. Suppose I want to stop here, I will simply right click, split the page, and just discard this part, right? So I am okay with it. Again, I am going to add some animated text out here. So I will go for another way. I can take a beautiful text from this button side where they feature different pro and free text. So as I committed, I'm going to use everything which is available free. So I'm going to use this one, cheers, and I'm simply going to say, I'm going to keep it like this, and if I want to change this green color, I can very well go to this text color option, and I can take any color. As because my background is somewhat blue, I can use this sky blue color, and I can make it a little smaller, and there we go. We are okay with it. I'm just going to give a little bit animation out here. I will use the right animation, and I'm good to go. So I can simply click here in the share option, download, and out of these two I will select only one, the second page, done, and then don't forget to change the format in GIF or GIF, and we are simply going to download it. This is as simple as that. Just within 2 to 3 minutes you can easily make a beautiful video like this. So do let me know on which video you have created your GIF or GIF. And there is another option available in Canva, which is making a sticker for your WhatsApp. So you do let me know in the comment section if you really want to have a tutorial on that using Canva. So I'm going to create a separate tutorial on it. And definitely don't forget to download VAGPE Media app, which is available in Google Play Store now, and two comprehensive course on Canva and graphic designing is already out, and there is an offer going on, an early bird offer. Don't forget to grab that. So today till here, looking forward to have your comment, and this is Polomi signing off for today. If you're new to my channel, please do consider to click the subscription button below and do give me a like. And if you're watching me in Facebook, please do get into my page and follow me from the page and give me a like. Thank you so very much for staying here with me. I'll come back with some fun video next week. Till then, stay safe.